Once upon a time, in a sun-kissed garden brimming with vibrant blossoms, there lived a curious girl named Lilly. Lilly was known for her adventurous spirit and a deep love for nature. She spent countless hours exploring the garden, marveling at the colorful flowers that danced in the gentle breeze. One day, while Lilly was strolling through the garden, a particularly radiant flower caught her eye. Its petals gleamed with shades of pink, orange, and purple, as if painted by a master artist. Lilly couldn't resist the allure and leaned in closer to admire its beauty. Lilly held the flower and slept. Suddenly a mysterious force pulled her in. In a swirl of petals and fragrance, she found herself transported inside the heart of the flower. Surrounded by delicate petals, Lilly marveled at the magical world that unfolded before her. Inside the flower, she discovered a realm of enchantment, where tiny fairies flitted around on gossamer wings. They greeted her with laughter and joy, delighted to have a visitor in their floral abode. The fairies revealed that the flower was no ordinary blossom but a gateway to their secret realm. Lilly soon befriended the fairies, learning their names and sharing stories of her own adventures in the outside world. They took her on whimsical journeys through fields of wildflowers, sparkling streams, and majestic forests. They danced in the moonlight and listened to the whispering leaves. Lilly grew fond of her newfound friends and the magical flower that had become her sanctuary. But deep down, she longed to return home, to share the wonders she had experienced with her loved ones. With a heavy heart, Lilly confided in the fairies about her desire to leave. Understanding her yearning, the fairies gifted her with a small vial filled with the essence of the flow's magic. They assured her that she could carry the magic of their realm with her, wherever she went. Taking a deep breath, Lilly held the vial close and wished with all her might to be back in the garden. In an instant, she found herself outside the flower, back in familiar surroundings. Joy filled her heart as she realized she had returned. Lilly waked from sleep and returned to home. From that day forward, Lilly treasured the memory of her time inside the flower and the bond she shared with the fairies. She carried the vial of magic with her, a constant reminder of the beauty and wonder that exists in the world. Lilly continued to explore the garden, sharing stories of her adventures with anyone who would listen. The tale of her encounter with the magical flower and the fairies became a cherished legend, inspiring others to embrace the enchantment of nature and the limitless possibilities that lie within. And so, the girl who was once caught in a beautiful flower became a symbol of the wondrous and extraordinary, forever carrying the magic of that realm within her heart. May the beauty of nature always capture your imagination and lead you to discover the magic within.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon. Thank you.